That Jeep over there? Jeep has a sign on the front of it that says, "Please help me fix my my upper linkage."
So we broke down up in Clawhammer late a couple nights ago, and everyone kept running to camp saying, "Take it over to RuffStuff." The off-road community has really become quite a family. Everybody kind of lends a hand and helps each other out. I mean, we're broken on the trail, and some guys stop and offer us parts. And we see guys broken on the trail, and we stop and offer them parts. And just complete random strangers. We were helping a crew the other night. They were here from Missouri. They needed a power steering hose belt. We happened to have them when they needed it. It's pretty cool. Feels good to help people out.
The guy asked us, he's all, "Is this gonna just be a fix to get it on the trailer, or a fix to go wheel some more?" I was like, honestly, I'm trying to make it to go wheel some more.
Yeah.
It's like, all right, cool.
That's a fix where they don't have to repair it.